everyone. As you know that we all are from Uma Devi Children's Academy and I am Manya Kashyap from grade 8 Pilili, standing in front of you with my teammates to going to perform an act. So now let's get started. I am the narrator of the story. These are the Britishers and these are the peasants. Now one by one they will be introducing themselves. Yes, Vasu.
Hello everyone, myself Varun Mishra from class 8 Willili and I am here to play the role of Mr. Jonathan Parker, the head of British.
Hello everyone, I am Vikhyat Singh and I am from class 8B and I am playing the role of Captain Edward Hill, who is a British officer.
Hello everyone, my name is Navraj Singh and I am playing the role of Ramu, a poor farmer father.
Hello everybody, my name is Rajveer Singh and I am playing the role of Bijoy Das and the father of Ramu and the retired army officer.
Hello everyone, I am Yuvraj Singh and I am playing the role of Gopal, a brave young son of Ramu.
Hello everyone, myself Nitya and I am playing the role of Ramu's sister.
Hello everyone, myself Parijot Kaur. I am playing the role of peasant.
Okay, now let me explain you about Indigo Rebellion. One of the very much forceful cultivation of indigo under the Rati system of the Britishers made peasants to rebel against the Britishers. This event is known as Indigo Rebellion or we can say Blue Rebellion. Now let my teammate to explain you through a story. So now let's begin with it. Now peasants are worried about their land and they have no food to feed them or their family members. Let's see it through an act.
रामू, तुम बहुत थके लग रहे हो। क्या उन लोगों ने तुम्हें विवश किया इंडिगो लगाने के लिए?
ना गेहूं ना चावल, खाली ये नीला जहर। वो साहब हमारी बिल्कुल कदर नहीं करते हैं, ना हमारे भूख की ना हमारे बच्चों की।
तो हम अब उनके सामने अपना सिर क्यों झुकाते हैं बाबा, हम नौकर नहीं हैं।
हम क्या कर सकते हैं बेटे, उनके पास बंदूक है लेकिन हमारे पास सिर्फ हल।
तो हम अपने हल उठा लेते हैं, जैसे बिजोय दा ने कहा है कि अब और इंडिगो नहीं उगाया जाएगा।
Now, as you have seen in the act that how Britishers are forcing peasants to grow indigo and because of exploitation they could not do anything. Now let's begin with another scene. This scene seems that the conversation between Britishers and see how they are making new techniques to let peasants to grow indigo. Let's see.
These damned natives refuse to plant innocent monkeys.
We can send patrols. A few beatings will remind them who rules Bengal.
Start with a loud one. Bijoy Das, he is trying to change the government.
Okay, now as you have seen in the act that how they are making new techniques to say to the peasants to grow indigo and they will be starting beating to the peasants also and capturing their family members to mind them that who rule in Bengal. Now let's begin with another scene to know about that how the peasants are converting with each other. Let's begin with it.
भाइयों और बहनों, वो हमें भूखा मार रहे हैं, वो हमें जबरदस्ती कह रहे हैं कि अपने खेतों में इंडिगो लगाओ। वो हमें कुछ नहीं दे रहे हैं, वो ना ही हमें खाना दे रहे हो ना ही हमारे भविष्य के बारे में सोच रहे हैं। तो बस अब हम उन्हें यही एक ही बात कहेंगे, हम इंडिगो नहीं लगाएंगे तो नहीं लगाएंगे, इंडिगो नहीं लगाएंगे तो नहीं लगाएंगे।
Now, as you have seen in the act that how they are chanting no more indigo and they are also thinking about their future also, that if food will not here then our future will not there and when our future will not there then we can't survive here. Now let's begin with another scene and see how British strike on the peasant. Let's begin.
You destroyed the company. Here is your reward.
Bijoy Das, save me!
That's okay.
Now, as you have seen how British were striking on the peasants and one more important thing that I must share with you all that इस लड़ाई ने हमारे भारत देश के उस समय के किसानों को उस समय के गरीब किसानों को अपनी बात अंग्रेजों तक रखने का पहला मौका दिया था। And now let's begin with another scene. This scene seems that peasants have unity and that is their power. Let's begin with it.
इंडिगो संस्था ने कहा है कि अब और इंडिगो नहीं उगाएगा, अब और किसी भी किसान के साथ जबरदस्ती नहीं होगी इंडिगो उगाने के लिए।
तुम्हारे पापा को तुम पे गर्व होगा।
बस बहुत हो गया, ये खेत हमारा है और हमारा ही रहेगा। भले हमारे पास राइफल असले नहीं है लेकिन हम सब एक हैं, यही हमारी ताकत है। हम इंडिगो नहीं लगाएंगे, नहीं लगाएंगे।
Now, as you have seen in the act, that peasants have unity. That's why they bound these harmful practices. They come out from these harmful practices, and at the last, they are having unity. That's why they are overcoming from this type of problem. And one more thing that I must share with you. When we are united, then we can do each and everything. But getting divided, we can't do anything. Now, as you have seen, the very first time in the Indian history, British has accepted the demands of the peasants, and this was the very much powerful thing that peasants have done. Now, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead.